Anti-clockwise.
This wheel only goes anti-clockwise. You don't have to keep your foot on the foot pedal. It will be on this speed or whichever speed you choose. Yes, it will have new rubber feet fitted on the post at the moment. In the post, there is a stain. Looks like a water stain, but it's just aesthetic. Really, it doesn't affect the performance. Slight scratches, etc. So superficial. That also doesn't affect the performance. The clay slurry need to be wiped and recycled because it doesn't have a drainage pipe, which is better. I like without the drainage pipe. So this is slow speed. To stop, go this way. To start, there, you don't have to, as I said, keep your foot on. To increase the speed, it's a 0.33 HP AC motor with a cone attached, very similar to the Cowley double mechanism. As I said, I took my foot off and it is spinning, so you can concentrate on your work rather than having to increase or decrease the speed. So, to decrease,
That is it. I'll take it off you. If you do that again, that is it. I'm telling you, I'll rip that off.
there are carry handles here, 2 of them on either side. So, and you will need a chair. A dining chair will usually be okay. It is not that tall. The wheel, you can say, not that high. So you can use a dining chair. It says 2 on there. I don't know why it says 2 there. But this wheel has not been used at all. Very or even very light use, as you can see from the threads of the wheel head. Well, if you have any questions, please do let me know. Thank you very much. Bye.